Hi everybody and welcome back to the Happy Crafty Homemaker. I'm Carrie Penny and happy Valentine's Day everybody. So Melanie over at Stitch to My Lou and I decided to do a swap for Valentine's Day. She had to pre-open her box. I actually have somehow managed to wait until now to open it. I actually have like 4 videos to film over the next 2 days, so it'll be fun. I'll probably do 2 today and 2 tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, let's crack on. I'm excited. I actually had to hide this from myself, so I wouldn't have opened it early. Just a reminder, by the way, best cutter ever. If you want a cutter that you're not going to kill yourself with. Whee! Ooh, I see pretties right on top. I love that color. Nitpicks Chroma Works. I was just recommending this. I love that. What color is that? Jam Jar. I love that color. No, I don't like the color pink at all. So I got 1, 2, 4 of these. Oh, love, 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 love. I don't know what to make out of this. I have the lace weight. I thought I was ordering worsted and ended up getting the lace weight in another colorway. And I have no idea what to do with it. I need ideas, y'all. I love that color. I love all the pinks that gradate into plums. I just love. I'm like the only person who still loves the color mauve too, I think. I keep sending these to people and I never buy my own. Restful Rainbow. That is so pretty. This is not like really true to color. This is like super bright deep purple. This is not mustardy. This is very bright. No. Is it 2 of the same? Oh, Melanie, thank you. Look at how pretty, you guys. Hey, Pippin, no, 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 no. So, I had a problem with Melanie's box where, like, I had a tub up here that I was just kind of throwing stuff in. It's the same problem I had with Gypsy. I had other stuff to go in Gypsy's box that I couldn't fit. I had a lot of other stuff to go in Melanie's box, but I just sent her the yarn because I ran out of room. Oh, namas. See, I gave her no candy, no food, no drinks, no nothing. It ended up just being a whole bunch of yarn. I'm sorry. Ooh, lava cake. Fancy. I haven't had those before. Sorry. Ooh. Once again, there's like a color theme. It's like all fire. Oh, that's so pretty. It doesn't have a tag on it. What is it? Do you remember? Do you know? It feels like merino. It's very soft. I like grouping my yarn. It's so pretty. I love that purple. Once again, everything is reading so mustard. It's funny because if I come up here in like half an hour, the color will read true, but like everything's going to be like super diffused. Anyway, so this is much brighter than it's reading. It's reading kind of more mustardy, orangey, but it's much brighter. So, is this a merino blend? Is this just straight merino? It feels like merino. Thank you, Melanie. And as I keep saying, queen of Post-it notes, you guys. So this is a little journal with a pen and Post-it notes. Thank you. Here's my little... Now, like, my thing with Post-it notes is hysterical. I keep cracking myself up with it. Little journal. Actually, I need a new desk journal because I keep breaking mine. The cats run off with it and like chew the corners on it, so it's not really me breaking my journals, but my journals go bye-bye. And then we have one last thing in here. I don't see a card. Oh yeah, she emailed me and said she forgot to put the card in there. This appears to be a mug. It's filled with treats too. Melanie. Thank you so much. It's adorable. I love it. Would it be dorky if I use it Saturday for a chat? Roses are red, violets are blue. Here's a big yarny hug from Stitch to my Lou. Thank you. That is so cute. Hand cream. I am working with a lot of cotton right now. We know how much I need that. Let's see. We got tea. We were bonding over our love of tea. Let's see. This is just green tea? No, this is not just green tea. Signature green blend flavored with the secret recipe of orange rind and sweet spice. Yummy, yummy. And Earl Grey. Always nice. Always nice. Are these all? Ooh, no. English breakfast. So we get 2 Earl Greys, 2 English breakfast, and 2 green teas. I guess I know what I'll be drinking for the rest of the week. Thank you so much. These are so great. I love my mug. That's adorable. Troy's gonna like sit there and like die laughing at me for the next week. Every time I get my coffee or tea, I'll be like, "Aww." Melanie, thank you so much. This is so much fun. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this stuff. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a couple of years ago, I tried to make, it wasn't red velvet, but it was like another kind of velvet cake. And I was trying to make it in pink because I didn't want a red cake. It didn't turn out too good. It was an ugly cake. But this reminds me of what it was supposed to be. Look at all the pinks and the purples. Thank you. I'm so excited, you guys. This was a great Valentine's Day gift. Troy and I don't normally do a whole bunch for Valentine's Day. It's one of those sit at home, eat a steak dinner kind of thing. So I said, why don't we do Valentine's Day? Because, I mean, y'all, if y'all have never touched this stuff feels so nice. It's a wool nylon. Yeah, she doesn't like natural fibers. So we did this. Most of this was stash swapping. So, like, obviously I have a whole bunch of stash to choose from. But she doesn't like sparkles or, wool. Whereas I am all about sparkles, pink, and wool. The one thing that we do have in common, though, is she likes the color purple. But I didn't include a whole lot of purple because she also likes neutrals. And some of the things I put in there, like the sheepish and stuff, those are like literally some of my favorite yarns. So I got to share some of my all-time classic favorites with her and some that are discontinued and you can't get anymore. So I'm kind of excited to see how she likes her gift because I like mine a lot. I think I'm going to have to go get some green tea now. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, a happy Valentine's Day, and sometime either before or after this video goes live, I will also have a short snippet video of who won my 300 subscriber pattern giveaway. I haven't even pulled for that yet, so I'm excited. I have a couple of people who asked to not be entered into giveaways, so I'm excited to see who comes up. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!